This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Angelina Ballatore. Welcome to your dream home in Mile Run, located in Northwest Gainesville, Florida. This stunning property boasts a brand new roof installed in 2021, and new exterior paint in 2022, providing peace of mind for years to come. As you enter the home, you'll immediately notice the vaulted ceiling in the great room, creating a spacious and airy atmosphere perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with family. The kitchen features beautiful quartz countertops, adding a touch of elegance to your meal preparations. A screened-in back porch is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day, while a fenced-in yard allows your family and pets to play freely. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The master suite is a true oasis, with a private bathroom and plenty of closet space. Located in the desirable Mile Run community, this property is in a great location with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. The community also features a pool, tennis courts, racquetball, pickleball, playground, and a clubhouse, with endless opportunities for fun and relaxation. This home is only 0.23 miles from the southern entrance to the 715-acre Four Creeks Preserve, and 1.4 miles to Possum Creek Park, offering miles of scenic trails for hiking, and exploring the natural beauty of Florida. There is also a walking path to Talbot Elementary.